Today, mag-volleyball ulit tayo! First volleyball of the year. So, I joined a tournament for March. Starting today, may mga fun games kami. Super tagal ko na hindi naglalaro. So, medyo kinakabahan ako and hindi ko kilala lahat. But, it's gonna be okay. I will try to film some clips of the games. Pero hindi ko pa sure kasi hindi ko kilala lahat. So yeah, I'll go to the court now and I'll see you guys later. So this is what the venue looks like. Naglalaro na sila. Medyo marunong silang lahat. So, kinakabahan ako.